In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in WPS Office. Watermarks can sometimes be helpful, but there are many situations where they are no longer needed, especially when you are preparing a final document. In WPS Office, watermarks can be added in different ways, which means the removal process can vary slightly. I'll walk you through both methods clearly so you can clean up your document without affecting its content or layout. Let's begin with the simplest type of watermark to remove. This applies to watermarks that were added using the built-in watermark feature in WPS Office. To remove this kind of watermark, go to the Page Layout tab in your document. In this area, you will find the Watermark option. Click on the small drop-down arrow beside it to open more choices. From there, select the option to remove the watermark. As soon as you click it, the watermark will disappear from your document instantly. However, not all watermarks are inserted using these standard tools. Some watermarks are actually placed inside the header area of the document. These can be a little more challenging to remove, but the process is still straightforward once you know where to look. To remove this type of watermark, go to the Page Layout section and click on Header and Footer, which is usually located near the top right area. Once the header is active, you will be able to select the watermark directly. These watermarks behave like editable objects inside the header. Click on the watermark to select it, then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard to remove it. After deleting the watermark, double-click anywhere inside the main body of the document to exit the header and return to normal editing mode. At this point, your document should be free of any unwanted watermarks. Always take a moment to scroll through the pages to make sure the watermark is completely gone and the document looks clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.